That feeling, when your creative flow is shattered. Not by a lack of inspiration, but by a tangled mess of thread, a missing spool, or a machine that's crammed into a corner. What if your biggest crafting hurdle wasn't your skill, but your space? Imagine a surface that organizes your chaos, hides your clutter, and makes every sewing session a joy. Today, we reveal the 5 best sewing cabinets of 2025. We've assembled, tested, and stressed them all to find the perfect fit for your home and your craft. The number 1 pick, in particular, is a genuine game changer you need to see to believe. Starting at number 1. Sew Ready Pro Stitch Table. Best overall. We recently set up the Sew Ready Pro Stitch sewing machine table and the assembly process caught our attention. Though it took some time, the end result was a robust work area ready to support our creative endeavors. The adjustable platform for the sewing machine was a highlight, accommodating our machine perfectly. As we organized our materials into the 3 mesh drawers and larger storage shelves, the sense of having everything within arm's reach was genuinely satisfying. During the first use, we noticed the spacious tabletop provided ample room for cutting fabrics and laying out patterns. Folding out the side shelf gave us even more space, which was quite useful when working on larger projects. We appreciated the thoughtfulness of a cord management hole which helped us maintain a neat workspace without stray cables. However, while testing the table at different sewing speeds, we did experience a bit of wobbling during the more vigorous sewing sessions. It's something to keep in mind if you tend to work on high-speed projects. Despite this, for everyday sewing and craft work, the table remains stable and reliable. If you're considering a sewing desk that doubles up efficiently as an office desk, our experience suggests the Sew Ready Pro Stitch table is a commendable option. It has proved to be a sturdy and practical addition to our crafting area. Number 2. Arrow Gidget II. Best foldable option. Having recently worked on a variety of sewing projects, our experience with the Arrow Gidget II was nothing short of satisfying. The manual lift feature made the transition between sewing positions effortless, accommodating our standard sewing machine perfectly. We were also impressed by the stable sewing environment provided by the robust steel base, allowing us to achieve straighter stitches without the annoyance of vibrations. The convenience of storing the table was another standout feature. We could easily fold it down and roll it away under the bed or into a closet, which was a real space saver in our crafting area. Having everything arrive fully assembled was the cherry on top, enabling us to dive straight into our work without the hassle of complex setup procedures. Despite its heft, which added to the stability, we found the table's weight to be a minor inconvenience when it came to repositioning it. We also had to ensure that our machine dimensions matched the table's lift opening, which might not suit every sewing machine. The price point may be a consideration for those on a tight budget, but our belief is that the quality and features justify the investment. In summary, the Arrow Gidget II's thoughtful design and user-friendly features have made it an integral part of our sewing routine. It transformed our sewing space into an efficient area for crafting, making it a valuable tool for sewing enthusiasts like us. Number 3. Best Choice Craft Station. Perfect middle ground. After test driving this sewing table, we've gathered some insights to share. Its design cleverly addresses the issue of limited workspace. Initially, we were quite impressed by how easily it transformed from a spacious craft station into a neat side table. The storage options are abundant, consisting of pegs, shelves, and bins, which made organizing our crafting tools a breeze. However, during assembly, we did encounter some hiccups. The process took longer than anticipated and felt like a bit of a puzzle. Once constructed, though, we admired the look and feel. The table's mobility was another feature we liked. Being able to wheel the table into different spaces catered well to our changing environments. We must note that though the table is generally stable, some parts did not inspire the utmost confidence. Particularly, the lid hinges and wheels suggested they may not withstand heavy or harsh use. Therefore, while the table is suitable for light to moderate sewing or crafting work, it would be wise to handle it with care to ensure longevity. Number 4. Vividwood Compact Sewing Station. Also great. We've just had the opportunity to use this Vividwood sewing table, and it's quite the game changer for anyone with a compact space. Its thoughtful design that incorporates storage for bins, bobbins, and tools means we can keep our sewing accessories organized and within reach. After using it for a while, these storage solutions prove their worth, keeping the workspace clutter-free. Transforming this table from sewing mode to a discrete side table has been a breeze. The foldable feature came in handy when we needed to free up some space. It felt quite refreshing to see how something so functional could also enhance the room's decor without taking up too much space. This adaptability is something we can appreciate, especially in multi-purpose rooms. Number 5. Sew Ready Eclipse Hobby Table. Best with drawers. When we unpacked the Sew Ready Eclipse Hobby Table, its design immediately stood out as sleek and functional. Assembly took some time, but the result was a sturdy and stylish addition to our craft room. The expansive tabletop gave us plenty of room to spread out fabrics and patterns, which made tackling larger projects much simpler. It felt like having a professional workspace at home, perfect for our sewing adventures and other creative endeavors. The additional storage options were a game changer. We had all the space we needed to organize and store our supplies, eliminating the clutter from around our work area. This feature alone made our sewing more efficient, with everything we needed within arm's reach. Our sewing machine fit perfectly on the adjustable shelf, and adjusting the height was more straightforward than we anticipated, allowing us to find the ideal ergonomic position for long hours of sewing. And there you have it. From space-saving wonders to feature-packed powerhouses, your path to a cleaner, more efficient, and more inspiring sewing space is clear. No more excuses, just pure, uninterrupted creativity. Ready to revolutionize your craft room? Every single cabinet we featured, all product links for your buy, are conveniently waiting in the video description below. If this guide helped you see the potential in your space, please support the channel, smash that like button, share this with a fellow crafter who needs the inspiration, and subscribe for more projects and reviews. Because next week, we're building the ultimate fabric organization system, and you're going to want to see it. Happy sewing!